Hello everyone, welcome to Vinoth tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about matrix inverse. We have already learned about matrix inverse in previous videos, but it was like with theory and the practical. But in this video, we will directly learn the exact problem. This is a matrix. For this particular matrix, we have to find the A inverse, and this is of order 3 cross 3. In order to find the matrix inverse, the first step is find the determinant, which is equivalent to, now the matrix is represented in the determinant form. For the first row, we have to find the determinant by considering 1, the remaining element minus 3, minus 1, 0, 2. Then minus 3, considering the second element, the remaining elements are 2, minus 1, 4, 2. Then third element plus 2, the remaining element 2, minus 3, 4, 0. The first step is completed, which is equal to 1 into minus 3 into 2, minus 0. Then minus 3, 2 into 2, minus into minus plus 4, then plus 2 into 0 minus 4 into minus 3, which is equal to 6 minus 24 plus 24 equal to minus 6. Therefore, the determinant of a matrix equal to minus 6. It means which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse is possible or exist. Then comes the second step, find the minus. So let me write the matrix again. So this is the matrix. For each value we have to find the minus. Minus of first row, first column. Then we have to exclude its rows and column values and write its remaining matrix. This is how we have to write for each element. It means minus 3, minus 1, 0, 2, which is equal to minus 6. Then m of 1, 2, this one. Then 2, minus 1, 4, 2, that is these 4 element, which is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. Then m of 1, 3 for third element, first row third element, the remaining element is this one. Then 2, minus 3, 4, 0, which is equal to 0 plus 12. Now m of 2, 1. 2, 1 means for 2. 3, 2, 0, 2. Like that we have to do for all the minus. 6. Like this for each number we have to find the minus. After this we have to form the matrix of minus. Just replace its number. For example, first row, first column, first row, second column, each number needs to be replaced. So minus 6, 8, 12, minus 6, 8, 12. Then second row, 6, minus 6, minus 12, 6, minus 6, minus 12. Third row, 3, minus 5, minus 9, 3, minus 5, minus 9, and the value is represented by 3 cross 3. And this is how we have to form the matrix of minus. Step 3. Once you are done with the matrix of minus, the next step is we have to find the cofactors. And we know what is the formula. C of ij equal to minus 1 I plus j into m of ij. In the previous example, I have taught you how to do this problem directly using the checkerboard. we know how the checkerboard will look like. So all these 4 element sign will change and the remaining element sign will be same. It means in our example these 4 values sign will change. So you can find one by one. If not, directly we can write it C of ij equal to minus 6, here 8, so it will be minus 8, then 12, here it is 6, then minus 6, minus 6, it is minus 12, so therefore plus 12, then 3, it is minus 5, so plus 5, then minus 9. So without solving step by step, directly we can write cofactor matrix using the checkerboard. Make sure these 4 elements signs are changed. If it is minus, we have to change it to plus. If it is plus, then we have to change it into minus. And this is a shortcut. I'm just writing for one step. It is minus 1, 1 plus 1 into the first value is minus 6, which is equivalent to minus 6. This value is nothing but this value. So you can do like this for all the values. At the end, this is the matrix we will get it. The next step is adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix means we have to take the transpose. This columns are changing into row or rows are changing into column as you wish. Adjoint of A equal to, let's consider this as a B matrix, which is equal to B transpose. I am writing it minus 6, 3, then second column, third column, same way, minus 8, minus 6, 5, then 12, 12, minus 9. Then the last step is inverse of matrix, that is A inverse. First write down the formula, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A equal to, we know what is the determinant. The determinant value is minus 6, 1 by minus 6, remaining matrix, this is nothing but adjoint. We have to write down this value, which is equivalent to, I am taking this minus 6 inside, so minus value will change to plus, plus value will change to minus, and converting each value into a decimal, that is fraction. 6 by 6, 1, 1, 3 by 6, minus 0.5, 1.33, 1, minus 0.83, minus 2, 1.5. Hope you understood how to solve the inverse of a matrix using minus, cofactor and adjoint. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.